Welcome back to TechUnboxPro, your #1 channel for professional mobile reviews, and today we finally have the Sony Xperia 2 2026, a device that is making waves in the tech world with its futuristic approach and powerhouse performance. So let's get straight into the full detailed review. Sony has redesigned the Xperia 2 with a fresh, modern, and much more refined look. The device now comes with a slimmer profile, a premium matte finish, and Sony's signature boxy design that feels extremely comfortable in hand. The build quality is top-notch, featuring aluminum edges with Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection that gives this phone a flagship-level durability. Moving to the display, and this is where Sony truly shines. The Xperia 2 features a 6.5-inch 4K Dynamic HDR OLED panel, delivering breathtaking colors, incredible brightness, and ultra-deep contrast. Whether you're watching movies, scrolling social media, or gaming, this display feels unbelievably smooth thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate. Sony has also improved touch sensitivity, making this model significantly faster and more responsive. Now let's talk about the cameras, the real magic of any Sony phone. The Xperia 2 comes with a triple professional-grade camera system, co-engineered with Sony Alpha technology. You get a 50-megapixels main sensor with massive low-light improvement, a 48-megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixels telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The images are sharp, natural, and color-accurate, exactly what Sony is known for. Video performance is equally impressive with 8K recording, cinematic stabilization, and advanced object tracking that keeps your shots steady and focused. Performance-wise, the Xperia 2 is powered by the next-gen Snapdragon flagship chipset, delivering lightning-fast speed, smoother app switching, and flawless gaming performance. Even heavy games like PUBG, COD, and Asphalt run at peak settings with no overheating issues, thanks to Sony's new vapor chamber cooling system. Battery life is another major upgrade. The Xperia 2 packs a strong 5200 mAh battery with 65W fast charging, giving you a full charge in under an hour. The standby time and screen-on time are both significantly improved from last year's model. Overall, the Sony Xperia 2 2026 is a perfect blend of power, elegance, and professional photography. If you're looking for a high-end flagship that truly stands out, this device is absolutely worth considering. And if you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more premium mobile videos every single day.